It is given that a cup of coffee cools from 90 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius in T minutes. When the room temperature is 20 degrees Celsius, time taken by the similar cup of coffee to cool from 80 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius at a room temperature of same as 20 degrees Celsius is. So in the initial situation, we can say that the temperature of object is changing from 90 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius, and the temperature of surrounding is given as nothing but 20 degrees Celsius. And in the second situation, it is given that the temperature of object is changing from 80 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius, and the time Rm is to find out the value of time taken for this change. The first situation, time taken is given as number t, and second situation, let's say time taken is t dash. So Rm is to find out the value of t dash over here. Now we are going to apply or use this Newton's law of cooling, that is dt divided by dt is equal to a constant into temperature of object minus temperature of surrounding, and we are going to use the average analysis of this Newton's law. So first we can write for the first situation, this dt is difference in temperature. So first situation, this difference in temperature is 90 to 80, that means difference in temperature is nothing but 10. So instead of dt we can take it as 10 divided by time taken is given as nothing but small letter t is equal to constant into, over here instead of this temperature of object we need to take the average value from 90 to 80. We can write the average value will be equal to 85, which is 90 plus 80 divided by 2. So over here we'll write the average value as 85 minus temperature of surrounding, which is given as nothing but 20 degrees Celsius in question. Now we can write in the second situation, if we are applying the same equation, so instead of dt we can write it is changing from 80 to 60. So we can write the value of change in temperature is nothing but 20. Time taken for that we can take it as t dash is equal to a constant into temperature of object. Again we can go for the average value. So over here the 80 to 60, so the average value is going to be 70. So we can write 70 minus we can take it as 20. Now we can divide these two equations. So if you are dividing these two equations, the term related to c is going to get cancelled. So you can write 10 divided by 20, which is 1 by 2, and this t will reach on numerator, so it is t dash divided by t divided by 2 will be equal to constant get cancelled. 85 minus 20, which is equal to 65 divided by 70 minus 50, 20, which we can take it as nothing but 50. So we can find out what about the value of t dash in terms of t, that is t dash is equal to t into 2 into 65 divided by 50, which is equal to, if you are cancelling this 2 and this 50, we'll get as it is 25. So it is something like 65 divided by 25 into t. Further we are dividing it by 5, so we can write 13 t divided by 5. So this will be the value of t dash.